Making an international transfer with Scotiabank involves a few steps, whether you're using online banking, mobile banking, or visiting a branch. Online banking. Log in. Access your Scotiabank online banking account using your username and password. Navigate to transfers. Look for the transfers or send money option in the main menu. Select international transfer. Choose the option for international transfers or wire transfers. Enter recipient details. Provide the recipient's name, address, bank name, and bank account details, including the IBAN or SWIFT or BIC. Enter transfer amount. Input the amount you wish to transfer in the currency of the recipient's country. Choose transfer method. Select whether you want to pay for the transfer using your Scotiabank account balance or via another funding source. Review and confirm. Double-check the transfer details for accuracy. Confirm the transfer to initiate the transaction. Verification. You may need to verify the transaction with a one-time password sent to your registered mobile phone. Mobile banking app. The process for making an international transfer via the Scotiabank mobile banking app is similar to online banking. Follow the prompts to enter recipient details, transfer amount, and confirm the transaction. In branch. If you prefer to make the transfer in person, visit your nearest Scotiabank branch. A bank representative will assist you in completing the necessary forms and provide guidance on the transfer process.